Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your EWA account. First, you need to open your Google Chrome web browser or any other browser you prefer. And in the top section over here, type down EWA login and enter it. After you're done, and you need to click on this first option that says EWA. And after clicking in that option, you'll get into an interface like this. On the right hand side, you could see you are required with your email address, mobile number, or user ID, whichever you can prefer. You can type down and your password as well. So, as I'm going with my user ID and your password, and make sure you type down your correct password. And after that, click in this option that says click to generate OTP, and it will send you an OTP in your account. And after that, click on the login option, and then you'll be successfully logged into your EWA login. And this is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.